Well, I'm in Strasbourg this week, but all the attention has been on Westminster, where the MPs are voting on measures to take the UK out of the European Union. And of course, we've been discussing that here in Strasbourg this week as well. I've been in many meetings. I've been in a meeting with Michel Barnier and Guy Verhofstadt. So we're hearing how the negotiations are progressing, and it's not a positive picture, as you would expect. I still believe, firmly believe, that what's best for Wales is to remain in the European Union, and I'm still working for that. But of course, if we do leave, then we need the relationship, the best relationship possible, the closest relationship possible with the EU. And so we are looking at the possibilities for that as well.